thanks for joining us. Welcome to the downtown Phoenix campus and one of our biology teaching labs. This particular lab features our 175-gallon saltwater marine aquarium. It houses a number of species that are all working together as a coral reef mini ecosystem.
Hey Dr. Al, I had a question about the corals. Do they work together with the fish or separately?
Well, they are separate organisms, the corals and the fish, but they absolutely work together. You know, we had some students actually one semester do some special projects on the health of the ecosystem that we have here in our tank, studying things like the effects of sunscreen contaminants in the water and elevated water temperatures due to global warming. They found that those kinds of environmental situations wreak havoc on coral ecosystems, coral reef ecosystems. What have you found, Lindsay?
I actually have a question for you. So I'm seeing all these like orange dots on the screen, but I'm not entirely sure what they are.
Sure, so you're imaging coral tissue from the aquarium?
Yes.
Yeah, so this coral tissue includes these tiny little orange dots. Each one of those dots is a tiny algal microorganism that lives inside the coral tissue.
Oh, okay.
If their relationship suffers, the microorganisms will leave the coral animal, the coral will bleach and turn white, and then it will die. And we're seeing that kind of effect all over the world right now as coral reef ecosystems decline. It's really kind of a sad situation, one that requires further study, and I'm so glad we have the opportunity at the downtown campus to do that with our aquarium. That's all for now, folks. Thanks for joining us, and I hope you find a chance to come downtown in Phoenix and study biology with us.
Hi, welcome to our Anatomy and Physiology lab here at ASU Downtown Phoenix campus. So, welcome. I'm going to show you what we have to offer our students here. So, one of the main features of this lab is we have our Anatomage table. So here you can see all of the commands that we can definitely use, and the students are free to use them at their own time. So you guys remember the name of this muscle right here?
The pectoralis major.
Pectoralis major. All right, so you can even annotate. You can definitely utilize it for your own advantage. And this is the heart. So this concludes your tour for today. Thank you for dropping by.
Welcome to Physics Lab in downtown campus. In this lab we are doing a lot of fun experiments, mechanics, electricity, magnetism, sound, all these kind of experiments. And I can just show you a quick thing about static electricity, how polarization works. So if you wrap this little balloon in your hair, this balloon gets charges in it. So because of these charges, you can let it stick into a wall like that. So this is because of polarization.
Welcome to Chemistry Lab, where we perform experiments from nylon to elephant toothpaste. Today we'll be performing an experiment outside elephant toothpaste. Elephant toothpaste is a reaction between potassium iodide and hydrogen peroxide. When I pour the potassium iodide into the hydrogen peroxide, it creates an exothermic reaction.
Oh.
As you can see by the steam coming off of the solution. The potassium iodide breaks down hydrogen peroxide into water and oxygen, and the water and the oxygen is being trapped inside the bubbles.